Hi friends, my name is Abhishek Roshan and welcome to my channel Engineer Abhishek Roshan guys. So guys, in today's session I am going to discuss what is DevOps, what all DevOps tools are there and how you can become a DevOps engineer guys. So let's start the session without wasting our time because as I said, time is money for us. But guys, those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon guys. In IT world, everybody wants to know what is DevOps. So I have been working as a DevOps engineer from past 6 to 7 years guys. My total IT experience is almost 10 years of experience, right? So DevOps it's a way of working, or I can say it's more of a cultural shift. Just let me give you a practical example, then you will understand guys. Okay, so just go back 22 years back. Okay, so in that era, or I can say just 22 years back, what you see, the way of communication, how you are communicating from one person to other person. Most of us communicate through SMS, right, or through Telegram. There was no social media at that time, right? But if I talk about in these days, what is the way of communication? The way of communication is your social media, your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube. There are many platforms, right? So same way, DevOps is a way of working. It's a more of a cultural shift where we are collaborating the development with operations by use of some tools. What all these tools? These tools are nothing but these tools are called your DevOps tools. These tools are divided into some categories guys. So what all these tools are there? Version control tool, your integration tool, your build tool, your monitoring tool, your configuration management tool, your orchestration tool, your containerization tool, or moreover your automation tool also guys. DevOps also includes your cloud like AWS, Azure and some Google Cloud also. DevOps includes your Linux operating system also. That is your Redhat, Suse and your Ubuntu. These are some of the distributions of your Linux. So if you really want to become a DevOps engineer, guys, then you need to learn all these tools. Because why I am telling you these things, I'll tell you very frankly and very honestly that if you are going as a DevOps engineer, so the work could be anything. So the work can be related to migration activity, means you are migrating from the legacy to your Azure cloud or to your Google cloud, or I can say to your AWS cloud, right? The work could be related to your vulnerabilities, your patching. A DevOps engineer has to work on everything. It is related to your CI/CD, creating your pipelines, parameterized pipelines by using Groovy scripts, right? So it could be anything. You need to write the code to automate the infrastructure by use of Terraform. You need to work on it. It may be the chances guys that it's not like that you need to work on all these tools at once or at a single place. If you are going for a DevOps engineer, I'll tell you very frankly, might be chances that you are only going to work with the configuration management tool like your Ansible, Puppet, Chef. At the same time, you need to work with the Linux operating system. It could be chances guys that you are only going to work with the Azure cloud and your Jenkins pipeline by use of your GitHub as a version control tool. It could be chances that you are only going to get the work of your Docker and Kubernetes, right? So that is your one orchestration tool is your Kubernetes. Your containerization is your Docker, right? It could be chances, I am telling you, you need to write some scripts to automate the environment. So a DevOps work can be anything. They can put you in either migration work, either patching work also, or creating pipelines also, automating your environment also, right? So please make sure if you are going for a DevOps engineer job, then you need to learn all these tools. Again, I am repeating what all these tools are there, guys. So these tools are your version control tool like GitHub, your integration tool, your Jenkins, right? Like your build tool, Maven, right? Like your orchestration tool, Kubernetes, your containerization is your Docker. Your monitoring tool is Splunk, Elk, Prometheus, Grafana, right? Your automation tool like automating your infrastructure, Terraform, right? Your configuration management tool, Ansible, Puppet, Chef. So guys, it could be anything. So I'll take you each and every tools in detail, in depth in the upcoming session. At the same time, I am going to give you the interview question for each and every tools, because I have given more than 100 plus DevOps interview also, and I have evaluated more than 100 resources for DevOps engineer position, guys. Still, I am hiring DevOps engineers. So I know exactly what a evaluator is going to ask you in the interview. Everything I am going to explain you in my upcoming videos. So guys, I don't want to drag it so much. I am ending up the session here only. From the next session, I am going to explain you each and every tool in detail, in depth, guys, with real time projects, or you can say with the real time scenario. At the same time, guys, I'll explain you also, and I am going to give you those DevOps interview question and answer. Just stay tuned to my channel. Just do take care of your loved ones. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, guys. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.